Hi, everyone. It's Elizabeth in the library, and I'm here with an update about Smart Thinking Tutoring, which is a free online tutoring program for you that is available 24/7, which means all day and all night. So you'll access Smart Thinking Tutoring by logging into your Canvas course and clicking on Smart Thinking Tutoring in the navigation menu. And if your instructor has not enabled that, there are two options for you. You can ask your instructor to go in and enable Smart Thinking Tutoring in the Canvas navigation, or you can just enroll in the library workshop and we have all the tutoring options available for you. So from there, you will click on Smart Thinking Tutoring and hopefully it will open up for you. And if it tells you there's some browser issues, go ahead and read that and click the continue to keep going. You should be able to log in as a student, and then you're going to have your options here. So what happens is it brings you to the dashboard, letting you know that you have 4 hours of free tutoring every semester, but also that if you want more tutoring, you can just ask the Student Success Center. They'd be happy to add more time if you used your 4 allotted hours. So here on my dashboard, I'm going to just point out the thing that I usually send most students to, which is to writing help to get feedback on their citations. So under writing help, you would then click on grammar and documentation. And here it asks you some questions about your class and the assignment. But right here in the description part, I would for sure enter MLA, checkup, in-text citations, whatever it is you're specifically looking for. If this is APA, any of that stuff, I think this is a great place for you to get help. And the other thing to point out is that there are different types of Smart Thinking tutors. So for general academic writing, the recommendation is that you just put first available. But if you have specialized writing, you would definitely pick one of these other specializations. And from here, you would upload your file and then preview and submit. So there's a lot of other help under the writing help section, but for sure I wanted to talk about the MLA and APA help. For actual tutoring, you have multiple options where you can drop in to work with the tutor, you can schedule a future session, or you can submit an offline question. And so when you're also submitting your writing papers, Smart Thinking Tutoring has told us that they get back to you within 24 hours. So that's really cool to know. And for sure, under all of these different topics, there's multiple ways that you can get different tutoring. So I hope you'll use this tool. It's free. I'm actually planning on using it as a faculty member to submit some of my papers that I'm looking to get published, just to have someone else review them. And if you have questions about this, for sure, Smart Thinking also has their own technical stuff. And in the library, we're happy to answer any questions as well. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.